Hey, how you doing? Garage door Mike. Nice long garage here. Lots of cars in here. This is an airplane hangar. And there's the old door. It's an old fiberglass, 20 by 10. And we're putting in a 20 by 9.9 C.H.I 3285 sections and springs only. We only got no springs up yet. Got one more panel to put on. We'll just show you some of the stuff here we're doing. Let me get over underneath there's all the panels for the other door. Here's some of the older hardware that was on there. Here's some of the newer hardware that's on there. So this was basically for an airplane. So this track right here in the middle, you can see it's like two verticals together. And then if you look towards the top, you can see those welds. So what happens is you open these doors and then you move that thing and then you pop the center post out for your airplane to get out. But he wanted to change these doors out because he doesn't do airplanes here, he does cars. So there's one, there's one, there's one, there's one, there's one. There's another one outside on the airplane field. I'm gonna go show you that in a minute. You can see the springs that are up there, those little babies. And those are the whoppers we're gonna put on right there. I'll take you outside and show you the difference here real quick. Give me 1 minute, guys. Right back. I'm going to the horsies. Take a little walk outside to the other side here. Here's another door he's got. An awesome, beautiful day out, but it's super, super, super hot. So we're gonna just get this door stacked today. Even with the fans we have, it is just brutal out. It's like about 98. It's just super hot out. Oh, this one got a dinger, man. We're gonna need a hammer and I don't know if we want to change the panel, but there's the brown section there, and there's his old fiberglass door there, and there's the airplane hangar strip right there. The airplanes go right down the road there, and that's how they take off. There's the new door. We'll put new seals on here, red, brown on here. I think some kind of brown clip seal here, and we'll go from there. That's it. There's one done. Once you get the tension on there, it'll be all good. And we'll go from there. We got this one door stacked. I'm gonna go end this video here. We'll get you another video here. We'll probably do a part 2 and 3 once we get these things up and rolling. Innovative Door, 632-719-343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook, we'll like you. Thanks for watching our airplane hangar door video replacement, 220-foot 1-inch by 9.9. There's the inside. We will continue this video later. Thanks for watching. As always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord.